picture. Not throughout the window, it's not. I've had to lean it back a bit because the window's on a tilt and if I put it up against the glass, it'll be pointing up here.
Cheers. Put it fly right now. We're on.
Yeah, how are you picking that up though?
Always try to get that picture.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to brief you on the safety procedures of this aircraft, and we do ask that you remove your personal headphones until the end of the briefing. All handheld devices, including mobile phones, must now be in the flight safe mode or switched off and held securely or placed into a pocket. Large devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed away safely. Finally, please ensure that your window blind is in the open position for takeoff, and as a reminder, smoking is not permitted at any time whilst on board. Should you have any questions regarding this, please don't hesitate to ask a member of the on-board team. Thank you.
Thanks, though. It's fine.
Yeah. What's the time now? Oh, it's not bad. No, don't. Don't
There you go. It'll be light.
6 minutes.
That's not bad, is it? You can't mind about that.
And you are on the director, G-EUYG. I'll take it from you. What? Hello. We'll now demonstrate the safety features on this aircraft. Please pay attention, as these may differ from an aircraft that you've flown on before.
The name's G-EUYG.
Hand baggage should not block the aisles or exit. They must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Please place items in the locker carefully, as they may fall out and injure someone. In an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you.
I'm feeling shaken and stirred. Joanna Lumele.
Joanna.
Right, have you done prop work before?
Yeah.
You have? Okay.
Action. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now by our gorgeous cabin crew. Please locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. In an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. Your crew will now point this out for you.
So you've done prop work before, I can see you have.
Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High-heeled shoes must be taken off, as they may tear the slide. Don't worry, you'll all still look absolutely fabulous without them. Is that strictly necessary?
Yeah, I mean, otherwise people won't know who you are. You're playing someone who's very interested in seat belts.
Seatbelts.
Yeah.
Please now fasten your seatbelt. It must be worn whenever the signs are on, and it's fastened and adjusted like this, and opened like this. Seatbelts must be worn when the seatbelt signs are illuminated. But for your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. How was that?
Yeah, it was amazing. I really felt the relationship between you and the seatbelt. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will appear automatically. Stay in your seat, pull the mask towards you, place the mask over your mouth and nose like this and breathe normally. Adjusting the band is securing. Please note the bag may not inflate. In all the washrooms, you may need to pull on the coloured streamer to release the mask. Please make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else, if you want to help anyone else. What I need from you is a little bit of oomph. More oomph.
Your life jacket is underneath your seat. If required, please remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head.
You're getting there, David. Come on, keep going.
Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side, like this, to inflate. Pull the red toggle. The air in this jacket can be topped up by using this little mouthpiece. There's also a whistle and a light for attracting attention.
Don't stop now. Come on.
And please do not inflate your life jacket until you've left the aircraft.
Too much. You spoiled it. Before takeoff, please ensure your seat is in the upright position with armrest down and your table is folded away. If seated by a window, please ensure the blind is open. See, there we go. That's more your level. Well done. Thank you, darling. Cappuccino, yeah? 4 sugars?
Actually, I've come to read for the audition.
The bee lady wants to audition.
Got 3 BAFTAs, actually. Smoking is not permitted anywhere whilst on board, and this includes the washrooms, which are fitted with smoke detectors. Using e-cigarettes is not allowed either. Is that okay?
Please switch all devices to flight safe mode now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. When not in use, devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket. Before moving your seat, please make sure your devices are safely out of the way. If lost, please don't move your seat and let the cabin crew know. Will you just stop doing that?
In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, you'll be told to adopt this protective brace position. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft, such as brace position and the location and operation of the doors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
And now, the reason this is so close to our hearts.
Naomi, over to you.
You'll also find the Flying Start donation envelope in your seat area, and it would be wonderful if you've got any spare change in any currency, if you could find it, take it out and put it in the envelope.
On behalf of British Airways, Comic Relief and Flying Start,
Thank you for your attention and your kind donations.
Every penny of which will help children all over the world living really tough lives.
If you have any questions or you can't find your safety card,
Or if you've mislaid your magical Flying Start envelope,
Please ask one of your cabin crew members.
And have a good flight.
That was quite amusing. I like Joanna, don't I?
It's not the amount of times I've seen it.
What?
After about the 5th time, it gets a bit
Boring.
Oh, not again. Oh, nice jumbo, look at that. I'll tell you what, I'm going to have to have a copy of that footage. That's awesome.
What's that?
There's so many jumbos lined up, and you've got it all on film. I was like, oh, I want that footage. Like that, you've got one sitting right in the way.
Yeah.
The taxiway.
I mean, that's going to make a lovely screensaver.
Yeah. That's what I thought. I'm going to have a copy of that off, yeah. I'll YouTube it. Yeah. Brilliant footage. Yeah, here's some fuel tanks.
Does make your
Oh, mate.
arm ache a bit, holding it up at the window. Cool, they're big cans of beer.
Yeah. Quantas, look at that. Jesus. A380. It's lovely bird, isn't
Spirit
it?
of Australia.
The size of those things.
That's stewardess again.
That's good for you today.
I'm hoping when we bank to turn that we turn to the right.
No, it'll be left.
Well, that's a shame because that
Yeah,
means the
you're-
aircraft will be pointing up in the air this side.
Yeah, it'll be left hand. Fly straight and then bank hard left.
Oh, I don't like the new colouring of the American aircraft. Look at that. That's an American.
Why didn't you
The
send
star-
a message to Trump when you told him?
The stars and stripes have gone off the blinking tailplane. Oh no, that looks dreadful. You see it? It's just red and white, red and blue stripes.
Yeah, that's a bit.
That's horrid. Don't like that at all. It's a bit like Maggie Thatcher putting a hanky over the tail of a BA plane when they changed it from the British.
See, that's better
British
than
flag.
Airways one. Long well dressed. So many jumpers.
Cabin crew, take your seats for takeoff.
is that?
Strange.
Go through the green, go through the Channel Tunnel.
Yeah.
The wings fold in, do they?
Get down the motorways down France.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. I'm quite surprised that it's picking up.
Yeah, it's clear.
Quite so clear. I'll tell you what, my blooming arm's open. Oops. Over there waiting across the runway.
Tough luck. Tough luck, we'll have to wait. We're up next. that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
I'm driving with your phone. I haven't got that. This will go on there. Now see if this is the same situation as the car that was the thing for beep.
got just about as much torque.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Same feeling.
I think we're doing a bit more than 90 though.
Yeah, probably a bit more by now.
Oh, we're up. Reservoir down there.
So it's been on the motorway. See it on it, mate.
A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Simon Sheff, and I'm your customer service manager on board this flight to Almeria. I would like to have my personal welcome to you all, and welcome back our executive club members and One World frequent flyers. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it is safe to leave your seats, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. We're about to start our onboard service. If you're seated in our club here at cabin, we'll be offering a complimentary meal and drinks from the bar. In Eurotraveller, we have a great selection of food and drinks available to buy. You can find details of today's Marks and Spencer's onboard menu in your seat pocket. You can pay by using either a credit card or a debit card, and for executive club members, we also accept Airways. We don't accept cash as payment.
Thank you, Ryan.
Or shall I be coming through the cabin to take your order of any hot food items? Later in the flight, we'll be opening our highlight shop. Do take a look at the brochure available. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable today, please let us know by visiting the galley or using the call button. We hope you enjoy your flight with us today. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.